Hello everyone, welcome back. Today for Halloween, I am going to be recreating the cover of Pride and Prejudice and Zombies. Might have read the book, I can't remember, but I do love Pride and Prejudice, and when I was thinking of like a fun Halloween look to do, like Pride and Prejudice is one thing, but it's not like really something that you can put makeup on for. So I thought this would be the perfect excuse to pull out the Pride and Prejudice and Zombie card. Let's get started. So to start, I'm going to prime my face using the Nude by Nature Perfecting Primer. And I guess I should have thrown on contacts so that I don't disturb my makeup as I go along here. So let me throw on some contacts. Much better. I had a leftover undyed primal contact from last year, so I decided to throw that on as well. Now she has two red eyes on the cover, but what I'm working with, I'd rather use up one contact than go out and buy two contacts, and it's still pretty creepy. So let's continue on. Now that I'm primed, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Mayron cream makeup. This is in the color Moonlight White, and I'm gonna use it as a base all over my body. This is a slightly bluish white color, really creepy. And I'm just gonna blend it in with a damp beauty blender and just kind of cover up everything. And I'm going to go in with a second layer with a little bit more. And I'm only worried about the upper part of my face because the bottom will mostly get painted anyway. Alright, so it looks like Elizabeth has pretty normal eyebrows. So I'm going to just draw on some normal eyebrows. Next, I'm going to take this Mayron cream makeup. This is in the color Zombie Flesh. And I'm just going to darken up around my eyes, kind of maybe start to outline the jawline. Just creating like a natural shadow or tired look. And of course, you can kind of use the natural contour of your eye to help get the shape right. And then go back in and tidy up the eyelid, which looks to be pretty bright. To darken up under the eyes, I'm going to take a bit more of that Zombie Flesh and add a little bit of black to it. And we can deepen up under the eyes. Taking more of just Zombie Flesh, I'm going to cut along my jaw to kind of get the same shape. And I'm just taking some of the Zombie Flesh and black mixed together and going down a little bit underneath. And finally, let's repeat that one more time, just with pure black. Next, we're going to go back in with white and add in some of the bone detail right on top of the black. On her neck, she seemed to have a couple like bite marks or scabs or something. So I'm just gonna take some more zombie blush. Alright, to clean up, I'm going to do some work around my eyes just using eyeshadow. So I'm going to start with just white eyeshadow. And then moving into a mixture of green and gray eyeshadow. And using a black eyeshadow, I'm going to go around and kind of shade in the teeth a bit. Looks like she has a hint of blush, so I'm going to use this Makeup Forever blush in the color 99. I'm just going to stipple some on. I'm going to throw on a really fluttery, natural looking mascara. And I'm going to tight line with white. It looks like her eyes are still pretty bright. Alright, next I'm going to throw on a wig. And I happen to have this Belle wig from last year. So I think it's got the right bangs and the right top. Okay, looking good. And the last step we need to do is just add some blood, which is, of course, my favorite part. I have this Blood FX, which is non-toxic and looks really good.